voltage measurement. DC voltage measurement. DC regulated power supply measurement display. L220 model battery measurement display. R14 battery measurement display. 6F total model battery measurement display. AA model battery measurement display. Capacitance measurement of household appliances shows that you can discharge fast when measuring capacitance. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. Button to detect whether the line is on or off. Diode measurement. Positive and negative poles need to be aligned. HFE transistor measurement to ensure that the transistor is PNP or PN. AC current measurement necessary in series when measuring. DC current measurement. The current must be connected in series and cannot be directly measured. Comparison of accuracy. Compared with the table multimeter, the value is very accurate.